Hi, it's Greta from Attention Insight. Today, I will show you how by using colors of different intensities, you can increase the amount of attention the desired object in a design receives. For this, I will use Figma app and Attention Insight plugin. I have created a website wireframe in which I applied a layout grid of 12 columns and created 3 cards rectangles with text. Here I will introduce colors later on, but now I would like to test it with Attention Insight plugin. Here are the results. Clarity score is high because there are not many elements and everything is in black and white. However, we have a different goal this time, which now is to emphasize the attention to certain elements by using hues of different intensities. Let's mark areas of interest and see the percentage of attention on each element. Most of the attention goes to text at the top, followed by the cards and then the CTA button. Let's come back to Figma. What I will do next is apply Grayscale and see how the elements will contrast with each other. This will help us evaluate whether it works and roughly estimate the colors and hues in which the object should be colored. When looking at the wireframe in Grayscale as a reference, we can see that the text visually disappears. So this is the first indicator that we need to change its hue. We also see that the CTA button is not visible enough, and so I will change this by applying a shadow. The CTA looks much better now, but its hue blends a little with the one of the background. Let's try to increase the visibility even more. After making all the changes, now visually it looks at both. The cards and the call to action button are definitely more visible. The text in the cards could stand out even more, so I'll make the title bold and the rest of the text medium bold. Again, I will test it with Attention Insight plugin. Clarity score is the same. Now, let's see how the percentage of attention on each element has changed. Attention to the text decreased, while attention to the cards and the CTA button increased. The grayscale showed us that this kind of color arrangement and this kind of contrast between the elements make us achieve the result that we had desired. As this worked on the grayscale, we can be assured that this could work with colors too. Now we will color the elements by applying the color harmony, and we will see whether this affects their focus. Our goal is to incorporate colors in such a way that the objects have stronger contrast between them and increase the visibility of the cards and the CTA button. So the colors I'm choosing are not random. I have chosen a bluish palette from Adobe Color. While on the Grayscale website draft, on the cards, we have hues from the darkest to the lightest. I will make a slight change in the color draft by starting with the most intense color on the left, followed by less intense on the right and least intense in the middle. A central figure, which is the middle card in this case, naturally gets more attention, which means we can leave its color less intense. For the background, I will add gray purplish color, which creates harmony within the rest of the artboard. Now, CTA button stands out more, but I would like to make it even bolder, so that there is even more contrast. Let's test this color wireframe and compare it with the grayscale one. CTA increased 0.6% and the card attention most dramatically increased on the card on the right by almost 5%. We are happy with the final result and we believe that this method will work for you too.